Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 4th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you 15 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. India's first Constitution Park was inaugurated in.
Answer is Pune. The Indian Army and the Puneet Balan Group joined hands to inaugurate the nation's first Constitution Park in Pune. The park was inaugurated by General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Command, Lieutenant General Ajay Kumar Singh. Lieutenant General Ajay Kumar Singh has highlighted the global significance of the Indian Constitution, which not only grants fundamental rights but also underscores fundamental duties.
Question number 2. Which country won the mains title at the 6th Asian Carom Championship?
Answer is India. The 6th Asian Carom Championship 2024 was the first international sports competition kicked off in the Maldives this year. Held from 26 April to 1 May. The Indian players secured victory in both the men's and women's titles at the 6th Asian Carom Championship. Indian men team beat Maldives 3-0 in the final, while the Indian women beat Sri Lanka by the same margin.
Question number 3. As per ZSCALR report, what is India's rank in terms of phishing attacks?
Answer is India's ranked third. India ranked as the third largest country globally for phishing attacks after the US and UK, with its technology sector facing nearly 33% of all such strikes, marking it as the most targeted industry, according to a report. The report by cybersecurity firm ZSCALR showed a 60% rise in global phishing attacks over the past year. The ThreatLabs 2024 phishing report gathered insights from 2 billion blocked phishing transactions between January and December 2023.
Question number 4. Which Indian has been conferred with the 2024 Whitley Gold Award?
Answer is Purnima Devi Burman. Dr. Purnima Devi Burman, a wildlife biologist from Assam, has won her second Whitley Gold Award, also known as the Green Oscar. She was honored for her conservation effort of the endangered bird, Hargilla or greater adjutant stork, and its wetland habitat. This is the second time that Dr. Burman has been honored with the Whitley Gold Award. She was also awarded the prize in 2017.
Question number 5. Who has won the Oxford Bookstore Book Cover Prize 2024?
Answer is Bhavi Mehta. Designer Bhavi Mehta won the 9th edition of the Oxford Bookstore Book Cover Prize 2024 for creating the book jacket of Pradeep Sebastian's The Book Beautiful. The award comprises of a trophy, a certificate, and a 1 lakh rupee cash prize. The book Beautiful was published by Hachette India.
Question number 6. Jeremiah Manele was sworn in as the new Prime Minister of.
Answer is Solomon Islands. Jeremiah Manele, former Foreign Minister of the Solomon Islands, was sworn in as the new Prime Minister of the Solomon Islands by winning the Prime Minister vote. Jeremiah Manele replaced Mansa Sogware, who served as Prime Minister of Solomon Islands for 4 terms. Solomon Islands is a country consisting of 6 major islands and over 900 smaller islands in Melanesia. Its capital, Honiara, is located on the largest island, Guadalcanal.
Question number 7. Who has launched his memoir titled Just a Mercenary, Notes from My Life and Career?
Answer is Duvvuri Subbarao. Dr. Duvvuri Subbarao, former Governor of RBI, launched his memoir titled Just a Mercenary: Notes from My Life and Career. The book was published by Penguin Random House India. This book about Dr. Subbarao's career, which would help inspire young professionals to navigate their career paths. He served as the governor of RBI for 5 years from 2008 to 2013.
Question number 8. India's GST collections hit a record high in April 2024 with.
Answer is 2.10 lakh rupees crore. India's gross goods and services tax, GST, collections hit a record high of 2.10 lakh rupees crore in April, growing 12.4% on year-on-year basis. GST collection in March stood at 1.78 lakh rupees crore. Previously, the highest ever GST collection figure stood at 1.87 lakh rupees crore in April 2023. This is also the first time GST collection has crossed the 2 trillion rupee mark since the unified indirect tax regime was rolled out 7 years ago.
Question number 9. Who took over as the 39th Vice Chief of Naval Staff?
Answer is Krishna Swaminathan. Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan took over as the 39th Vice Chief of Naval Staff on 1 May 2024. He previously served as Chief of Personnel at the Naval Headquarters in his previous assignment. Krishna was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 1 July 1987. He is a specialist in communication and electronic warfare. Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, who took charge as the 26th Chief of the Naval Staff, was serving as the Vice Chief of the Force.
Question number 10. American Express has opened its largest campus worldwide in.
Answer is Gurugram. American Express, a global payments company, has announced the inauguration of its expansive, nearly 1 million square foot campus in Gurugram, Haryana. This new campus will serve as a hub for American Express operations in India and will be the largest campus opened by the company to date.
Question number 11. Who has assumed the charge of Director General of Akashvani News?
Answer is Mausmi Chakravarti. Senior Indian Information Service Officer, Mausmi Chakravarti assumed the charge of Director General of Akashvani News. In 1991 batch IIS officer, Mausmi Chakravarti has vast experience of working in several media organizations of the INB Ministry, including the Press Information Bureau and Central Bureau of Communication.
Question number 12. Who has become the presenting partner of the World Championship of Legends, WCL?
Answer is EaseMyTrip. EaseMyTrip has announced its partnership as the presenting partner of the World Championship of Legends, WCL, set to commence on 3 July 2024 at Edgbaston Stadium in Birmingham, UK. 6 teams will be vying for glory, including India champions, Australia champions, Pakistan champions, England champions, South Africa champions, and West Indies champions.
Question number 13. Which state's government suspended the licenses of 14 products from Patanjali Ayurveda?
Answer is Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand government has suspended the manufacturing licenses of 14 products from Patanjali Ayurveda, founded by Baba Ramdev, citing misleading advertisements about their efficacy. This move comes amid ongoing scrutiny and legal proceedings against Ramdev for non-compliance with directives to cease misleading advertising.
Question number 14. International Firefighters Day is marked every year on.
Answer is 4th May. The International Firefighters Day is observed on 4th May every year since 1999. The day is celebrated to recognize and honor the sacrifices that firefighters make to ensure that their communities and environment are as safe as possible. The day was instituted after the deaths of 5 firefighters in tragic circumstances in a bushfire in Australia on 2 December 1998.
Question number 15. Coal Miners' Day is celebrated every year on.
Answer is 4th May. Coal Miners' Day is observed on 4th May every year to honor the coal miners. While the first ever coal mine was opened in 1575 by one George Bruce of Carnock, Scotland. In India, the coal mining business began in 1774. It was when the East India Company exploited the Raniganj coal field, which is located in the Asansol and Durgapur region. It falls along the bank of river Damodar that crosses Jharkhand and West Bengal. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.